what is up guys? So today I'm going to talk about how to edit your videos faster for YouTube. So as you guys know, editing takes a lot of time when you're doing YouTube, but today I'm going to show you how to minimize that time as much as possible. But before I get into the video, make sure you guys like, comment, share and subscribe, because a lot of you guys are watching and are not subscribed. So as you guys know, whether you use Adobe Premiere Pro, Final Cut, the software that you guys use on your phone to edit, whether it be not Final Cut, iMovie, or what is called KineMaster or something like that, whatever you use, you know, you always have a file that you can save and come back to it later. But what most people don't know is that that file can be used as a template, and a template will save you a lot of time. It saved me like, I know, like 2 hours worth of editing to down to 10 minutes. So it saved me a lot of time to upload videos to YouTube much faster. And as you guys can see, I've been pushing out content much faster. I've been doing this style for the last couple of months, and it pretty much helped me to edit videos like in 10 minutes. So what I did was make a project file, a regular project file, open up Premiere Pro, and it Control S and save the file as a template, call it my template. So what I put in that template, I mean the project file, I put my background, my intro, my outro, and my lower thirds, and also my theme song. So I make sure to make it organized as possible. I laid it out on the timeline, and because most of my videos are basically 10 minutes, I made it the timeline be like 11 minutes, so I can always trim it down and have room to play around with. So what I did, as you guys can see on screen, I laid out pretty cool, and you guys can see it is around 11 minutes and a couple seconds, and or 12 minutes and couple seconds. And you guys can see my background is here, and let me just play it and you guys see what I'm talking about. So here is my intro, that's my intro right there, and then my transition, then my background. On top of my background, when I'm making a video, I will just lay my pictures on it or my video clips on it, simple like that, with my background music playing in the background. So whenever I'm making a video, I don't have to go and turn down the background sound every time I'm making a video and importing my background, importing my lower thirds and all those stuff. It's just right there laid out, everything quick and easy. Just get it one go. 10 minutes quick video. It Control M to export, and within 45 minutes or so the video is done exporting, and all I have to do is just upload to YouTube, make my thumbnail and all those stuff. But this template really saves me a lot of time, and as you guys can see, I made a folder because I made a folder to organize all my stuff, and inside that you see my template sound, my template lower thirds, my background, my subscribe button with that animation, and my YouTube end card, my transition, my outro, my intro, and all those good stuff, and all those are ready. Now you guys may be wondering, how do I use a template to make my videos? So what I'm do is hit Control Save after I'm done importing all this stuff, and I go ahead and find my template. My template is located in a folder which is pretty organized, and all I do, let's say I'm gonna make a new video, I'm currently making a new video, and let's just hit Control C on my template for project file, and then I'm gonna find the folder that I want to put it in. Go into YouTube, I just want to hit Control V to paste, and I can always rename this to, let's say, test template, just like that. Hit enter, it's done. What you want to close, you might want to close Premiere Pro because it might not load it because it's already there or something like that. I don't want something pretty rich, so you might want to close the template. So close out after template, and then double click on the template that you copied and placed, and you guys can go ahead and start editing as soon as this uploads. So there it is, already done and dusted, and all you need to do is just import your pictures. So let me just go and import some pictures. So let's import this picture right here, and just drag it on my timeline, and I set it up that I literally can just jog it on my timeline, like around here, and I can stretch it out and all those stuff. And then I will just add my nice sound voice down here. Let me add my voice down there for you guys. So go into audio, get my lovely voice to put it down there, and all I need to do is just literally drag it down there, and everything is synced up and all those stuff. And I might need to just do a little trimming at the end, which is pretty easy. That's all I need to do. All the tracks are already turned down, and it's not overheard in the while I'm talking and all those fine stuff. And I can always tweak that to how I want it, but that's pretty much my template, and this saves me a lot of time when I'm doing my YouTube videos. As you guys can see, I've been putting out YouTube videos quite often now for the last couple of months, and this is what I use. I believe a lot of people are able to do this, but they're just not thinking that that same project file that they're always making videos of can actually be a template that you just keep on making copies of, renaming it and placing it wherever you want, putting whatever you want in there. And all you just need to do is remember that you want to always make a copy of your template before you start to make changes, because once you make changes, then your template might get shake up and you probably can't undo everything, and you might just messed up your template and all those stuff. So always make a copy first and then edit in that copy. Make sure to rename that copy to whatever you want it to be, and this should save you a lot of time. Because back then, whenever I was making a YouTube video, I usually have to go and grab my background, grab my intro, grab my outro, grab my theme song and all those stuff. And it usually take me like maybe 1 hour to gather all the stuff, and then a next hour to edit and trim up all the stuff and turn down all those audio, turn it up back, put my intro, my outro, and all those stuff. It usually take me 1 hour to 2 hours, and then probably the next 1 hour again to fine tune things and all those stuff. With this, it minimize all those stuff already to just put in and go. And template is the way to go. I'm pretty sure a lot of YouTubers have been doing this, but I'm also pretty sure there were people like out there like me who didn't know that they can make a template, and template saves a lot of time in whatever you're doing it. So whether you're doing Premiere Pro, Adobe After Effects, I'm pretty sure even Photoshop, I use template in Photoshop. So whenever I'm making a thumbnail, I already have that template already set up, so I can click and it's the right size and everything. And whatever I'm making a cover art is also the right size, so I can just click, and that saves me a lot of time. So that's a pretty cool stuff to also know, that templates can be used in every single program that has a save file. You just need to import all the stuff you're using, and it should save you a lot of time, because most of the time you're creating videos from scratch and you want to minimize that time. Because I mean, editing can be fun and it can be frustrating, and if you can minimize stuff and still make your videos look high quality, as mine is high quality, if you can do that, then you're not you're not losing anything. I mean, people probably think that you're still a good editor, and yeah, these are all just templates. And that's pretty cool to know that people might think you're taking 2 hours to do this when you just take 10 minutes. I mean, to create the template will take you probably even 8 hours to make, but you know that 8 hours is gonna turn out to save you a lot of time in the future. So whenever you're ready to make a video, everything is already in your template. All you need to do is import all the new stuff and all those stuff. And also you can do this, so say your YouTube channel is based on a certain celebrity and you always talk about that celebrity, you can make a specific template for that celebrity to have his pictures and videos on screen while you're talking in the background. I know a lot of Jamaican YouTubers do that, so it speed up their process. So every time they're making a video about this artist, they just put their pictures and all those stuff in a template, and they just go for that template and start talking, and all they need to do is talk and maybe add a clip or two that is new to that video. And by doing this, I know it saved them a lot of time, it saved me a lot of time, and to summarize the video, this is how to save time doing YouTube. You save a lot of time because, as you know guys, editing is where a lot of time goes in. Editing and sometimes making the video because you want to get the video right, but editing is always where time comes in, and that's how I save time to make my YouTube videos, and I think this should save you a lot of time. Let me know if this video was helpful and comment down below. I will reply to guys. You guys comment, ask me any questions. Also make sure to subscribe if you reach this far. Thank you guys for watching, and I see you guys in my next video. Peace.